What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. Alright, so this is a funny money story that I came across in the news. Okay, this young lady by the name of Kikoff stole close to 10 million, to be exact, $9.4 million from Amazon of all places. She was an operations manager that worked at Amazon between the years, I believe, of 2020 and 2022. She has been sentenced to 16 years. I guess she was the ringleader because there was 6 other people that was involved also. She's been sentenced to 16 years in prison for a theft of damn near $10 million. She was an operations manager. Man, you know how much operations managers make? They make about 60 grand. When I tell you she had a come up, that is one hell of a come up. And the only reason they even knew anything about it is because she started to drive to work in a Lamborghini, and she had a house, she bought a mansion. Now, and what in the world, what made sense for you to go ahead and buy a Lamborghini, get a house, get a mansion, and come to work still? Right? Come to work still? Like, you seriously just said, forget it, I'm gonna go to work, instead of saying, you know what, we got close to 10 million, let me get up out of here, let me put my 2 weeks notice in, let me get up on, let me go to Greece, let me go somewhere that's so nobody knows me, and then go live it up. Go chill, go to Mexico even. You know what I'm saying? Canada even. Go live good somewhere else outside of the United States. Go to an island, go buy yourself a private island and build a house there. You know what I'm saying? And this was in Georgia. So, I mean, I understand the sense of, you know, people out here money hungry and people out here starving, but man, 9.4 million? Wow. Like, for real? Like, you did it like that? And you didn't think to just go somewhere else? Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. It doesn't make sense to actually do the crime in the first place. And then it doesn't make sense to actually come to work in a Lamborghini and buy a mansion up the block from the warehouse. Like, come on. Like, seriously. Like, if you're gonna do some crime, be smart about it. Along with the smartness to actually do the crime, like to get away with it, like you got away with the crime, but you gave yourself away by buying all these fancy stuff. That's the problem. That is the #1 problem. People don't even know how to deal with when they become rich. They don't even know how to deal with the money that they have, and they damn sure don't know how to deal with the money when they become rich. So crazy. But anyway, Wealthbuilderz, man, that's my funny money story for this Friday. Thanks for watching. We're gonna try to do this every Friday where we drop a funny money story, something interesting, something out of this world, something different. All right, until next time, Wealthbuilderz. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the Wealthbuilderzsystem.com if you're looking to get business credit. And no, we don't do no funny money stuff with the business credit. If you're looking for any type of help with your business, all links in the description. Sign up to the newsletter. Link is in the description. Until next time, Wealthbuilderz, it's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, the fun, put in work, Burke. Signing off for a former Amazon worker stole $9.4 million. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace.